Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about automation anywhere. Wait for screen change, control and its uses and best practices. See, this is a scenario. This command will be used while waiting for the content of a screen to change before performing the next set of action like commands, mouse click. So which of the commands listed below matches the description? Which command you have to choose or select for this scenario? See, if you go into this scenario, you can't select with the delay or wait for window, because if you give delay, maybe dynamic delay or a static delay, it would be wrong. See, in that condition you have to select wait for screen change. See, why wait for screen change command is very important. See, when we go with wait for screen change, that is two modes are available. The one is wait window, another is screen, wait screen. The window mode is it will expect to change the next window, but the screen mode is it is expecting the if the particular screen comes or else the specified screen comes, up to that time it will wait. That is the important and best practices in automation anywhere. When we going to wait for screen change, if particular or specified screen is not there, or else if screen does not changing, what will happen? See, we have two options there. One option is if specific screen is not changing, then we have to go with stop the specific task. If it is very important, suppose you are going to capturing one application, Java application or some other application window. So the next window, unless and until suppose it is in login, unless and until if you click login button, unless and until next page is not coming, you can't survey or you can't capture some other screens. So in that condition you have to stop the task. We have one more option is there, continue. So in the two condition you have to that continue option is we can continue with next action in particular task level. The particular task, see, either if specific time is completed, so you have to mention how much time you have to wait for the screen, how much time you have to wait for the window. So you have to mention on this before you are completing the attribute selection of the wait for screen change. That is the main thing. So that is, we have two modes. We already discussed there is two modes. One mode is window, one mode is screen mode. So window mode is expecting the changes of window. The screen mode is expecting the next screen, how much time wait and everything it will include on it. And one more thing, everyone we know about that, the secure recording mode. See, you are capturing some images, but sometimes that image will not show, because in control room, in automation network control room, if you enable secure recording mode, we have an option is there, secure recording mode. If you enable that, whatever capturing the screens, it will not show in wait for screen change image mode. That is the thing. See, if you want to enable secure recording mode, we have, you can, if application level, you can go with control room. If it is in particular screen level, in client as well, we have some options is there. In tools options, we have option to enable secure recording mode. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this. Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss about automation anywhere, wait for screen change, control and its uses and best practices. See, this is a scenario. This command will be used while waiting for the content of a screen to change before performing the next set of action, like commands, mouse click. So which of the commands listed below matches the description? Which command you have to choose or select for this scenario? See, if you go into this scenario, you can't select with delay or wait for window, because if you give delay, maybe dynamic delay or static delay, it would be wrong. See, in that condition, you have to select